Welcome back to Kalman Web Design. Today we're going to be talking about CSS classes. Let's start with what classes do. Classes are an attribute that you add to your HTML to add unique styling to specific elements in your code. Don't worry if that doesn't make any sense. I'm going to be showing you today exactly what I'm talking about. So first, I want to get into showing you guys exactly how to add a class in your HTML code. So what we're going to be doing is I have a header 1 and a header 2 here. I'm going to go to my H1 element right here, and you guys can see that I have it open in live server on the right side. And how you add a class is simply by typing class and making that equal to the name of your class. And for this, we're going to call it practice. When you're naming your classes, obviously make them more descriptive as to what they're actually going to be doing and what the styling is going to be, so you guys can reference them later. So once we have this, we officially have our class added to our element, but I'll go ahead and save it, and as you guys can see, nothing happened, right? The reason for that is we have to go over to our style sheet, and if you guys don't know how to link to your style sheet from your HTML page, I do have a video on that I will link to right now if you guys need help on that. But once you have that style sheet linked to your HTML page, go to your styles page and then go ahead and type dot, and what the dot does is it says this is going to be a class. That's what it's used for. And then type your class name, which in this case is practice. So the dot distinguishes that, hey, this is a class that I'm going to be using, and then you put the name of that specific class. Now you want to go ahead and add your curly brackets like this, and then from here you can add whatever classes you want. So for example, if I want to center this H1 element in my live server, I can go text align and then go ahead and type in center, and that'll center my code right there. If I want to change the font that it displays in, I can type in font family and type in, let's just change it to Arial for now, and then go ahead and click save, and that'll change my font family and it'll change the way it displays in the live server. Let's go ahead and practice one more example just in case you guys aren't understanding this yet. Classes can be used for anything. You can style anything with a class, and the great thing about using a class is that you can specify specific HTML elements where you want to use it. So let's say I want to reuse this class, and now I want to change my H2 heading to be exactly the same as my H1 heading. So what I can do is I can go back to my HTML page, and now all I have to do is copy my information, my class from my H1 element, and go down, and now I can add this to my H2 element, and as you can see, it does the same thing. So you can add this to as many different HTML elements as you want. If you just need one specific element to do one specific thing, you can have just one class for that specific element. Or like I was saying, you can have it for all your HTML elements if you want. There's no limit to how much you can use a class. Obviously, you're gonna have to have a lot of different classes to get exactly what you want on each individual element. So to end the video here today, a class is an attribute that you add to your HTML element to add specific styling that you want to that specific element, or possibly a group of elements. If you guys need any more help, or some of this is still not making sense to you guys, reach out to me in the comments or go to kalmanwebdesign.com and I will help you guys out. I'm not going to charge you for anything. I will help you out with basic stuff absolutely for free. It's my pleasure. I hope the video helped out today. If you need our professional web and marketing solutions, reach out to us today through this video or go to our website at kalmanwebdesign.com. Thanks for watching.